finna give y'all a POV. This what y'all been wanting, so we finna give it to y'all. So we doing a this girl ain't no help, bro. Like, bro. Let me see. So where we going? Where we going, Blue? I ain't no son. They're gonna take me nowhere. We're gonna get him a pour. My brother died the same day, man. I ain't gonna lie. POV is really boring because you really gotta find something to talk about. I don't know how real YouTubers do this shit, but they find something to talk about other than car noise. Y'all hear that popping? That's that pat. Look at the people fishing down there. Y'all gotta tell me what type of videos y'all want, bro. Alright. Yeah, just talk about something.
Don't just sit there. Talk about. So oh
yeah, and we gonna get y'all she gonna get y'all a POV in the SS. It's in the shop right now though. But when they get out the shop, she gonna get y'all a POV in the SS. Alright. And she better be entertaining. We finna drop a lot of videos. We're gonna drop a video every other day. With straight car content though. Look at his ugly. Not the same dick. Sliding every corner. Sliding every corner. Look, y'all see the police? Y'all see the police? Y'all see him? Ooh, y'all hear all that popping and shit. We gotta get from out of police though. Let's see. Y'all wanna slide this corner? Let's see what it's hitting on. They scared. We got them pulling over. We got them pulling over. Look at that Hellcat. Man, y'all niggas be doing POVs and getting 1 million views. I better get 2 million. I'm not playing. We in Ellie. Let's see. Let's see how fast we can go. Right here. We gonna hit this corner. See. Ooh. Well, Mexico. We in Mexico. Look at the Jeep trying to race us. Look, she trying to catch back up. I don't know if it was a woman. Look, check her out. All that seatbelt gone. My brother died the same day. This gonna be a boring ass POV, but they finna get it.
God damn. All your head finna fall off, girl.
Put my seatbelt on for me, please.
No.
Hey, you gotta hold the camera.
We gonna watch him put his seatbelt.
You fucking up the video. Cut it.